So I am aware of disruption in the maintenance department at the National Water Commission. But I want to assure the public that this is not sanctioned industrial action. We've worked very hard over the last 4 years to bring industrial harmony to the National Water Commission. I've spoken with the heads of unions. I have gotten direct feedback as to what the issues are. I understand that this is a small group of employees who are particularly upset about the band that they have been placed in post-reclassification exercise. I would say to them that the process is ongoing, a process that was signed off on with the unions, with the Board of the Water Commission, with the Ministry of Finance, after we received what's dubbed the McAnuff report. The McAnuff report was a report I commissioned after the strike of 2022, where we said there was obviously industrial disharmony and we needed a roadmap to fixing same. We have gotten that roadmap. We've gotten all stakeholders to sign off, and let's allow the process to work. The action being taken now is not in good order. It does breach the employment rules related to said employees, and we hope good sense will prevail in the shortest possible time. But I do want to address one area that I think the public needs to be aware of. The reclassification exercise, we're not perfect, saw the wage bill at the Water Commission increasing by over $400 million monthly, meaning we pay over in excess of 10% of total revenue as increases in staff costs to our hard-working men and women of the Water Commission. So I don't want the impression in the public to be that we are not working with our employees. In fact, we are working very hard to ensure that there is indeed industrial harm. And this is an unfortunate incident, and we encourage those involved to work through the process. As a process exists, a process is working and was agreed on by all stakeholders. There is one element, however, of returned political mischief as it relates to water quality. I have heard rumors where persons were saying, well, if the maintenance team is not working, what of the water quality? That's not the unit that deals with water production. There's actually a water production unit where there is no industrial disharmony. So I assure the public, as we have done in the past, National Water Commission water is indeed safe for drinking, and we encourage you to enjoy your Water Commission water.